you an annoying person who decides to call emergency meetings just to say,
Guys, I'm scared. Well then, you came to the right place, because today we'll be building an Among Us spam bot. Let's get started.
So I'm going to install BlueStacks and open up Among Us. I would buy it and install it on the PC, but I'm a little low on funds right now. Now that we have it open, we need to analyze how the chat function works so that we can automate it. If we look at it, we need to click on the text box so that we can type the text in and press enter. And then press enter again to send the text. And the easiest way to implement this is using PyAutoGUI. So I'm going to open up my IDE, I'm using PyCharm, and the language is Python. So in the terminal, we need to import PyAutoGUI, so write pip install PyAutoGUI. And then in a new Python file, type in import PyAutoGUI. And then we need to import sleep. So from time, import sleep. And then I'm going to put a sleep, and this is the time before it starts spamming. So I'm just going to put 2. Now we're going to need to do the actual spamming, so put a for I in range, and in the brackets, put how many messages you want to spam. Now we need to click on the text box, so PyAutoGUI.click, and in the brackets, we need to put the coordinates. On the Mac, I can find this by pulling out the screenshot tool, but on Windows, I'm not so sure. But in the worst case, you can just go with trial and error. Now just as a side note, I don't think this step is needed if you have the actual Among Us installed on your computer. So the next thing we need to do is put a sleep, because we need to wait for the box to pop up. And then we need to write a message, so PyAutoGUI.typewrite, and in the brackets, put whatever message you want to type. I'm going to blame someone else as imposter. And then we need to hit enter, so PyAutoGUI.press enter, and then another sleep. And then we need to put the same thing again to finish it off. Now, there's actually a 3-second cooldown in Among Us, where you can only send a message every 3 seconds. And we need to take this into consideration. So put sleep 3. And that's it for the programming side of things. Now, let me show you how it works. So all you gotta do is join a game with the most stupid name possible and call an emergency meeting as soon as you can. And then go back to your script, hit run, and wreak havoc. And that's all I have for today's video. If you had any trouble with the video, or you just want to talk to me in general, join our Discord server. If you liked the video, click like, comment down below, and even consider subscribing. If not, I'll see you next time.